Okay, juniors, little change of scenery. Today we are in my family room like we do for Zoom sometimes. Wanted to get out of the backyard so we didn't have that dog barking so much in the background, but it is nap time for Keegan. And so I'm gonna speak a little bit softer. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But we are doing our homework in my family room. So I'll do my best not to bump into too much, and hope you guys have fun. We are gonna start the warm-up with working on rolls, because I noticed last week when we had a little bit of rolling in our warm-up that we struggled a little bit. And so this whole warm-up is gonna be based around the rolling of the soccer ball technique, which is an important technique as a soccer player. You gotta be able to use your foot and roll the ball to manipulate it at times. All right, so here we go. Okay, juniors, so before we get started on really any of the exercises, I want you to just practice rolling for a minute. So when you roll the ball, you start your foot on the outside of the ball and you bring it all the way over the top. And you cross your legs a little bit as your momentum moves you that way, and you take a step. So same thing on this side. Start your foot on the outside of the ball, over the top, and a little cross. So I want you to just take a minute and just practice rolling. Just take a couple steps and roll the ball. Roll, step, step, roll, step, step, roll, step, step, roll, step, step. Once you get kind of a good rolling motion, then you're ready to start the next phase of the warm-up. Okay, juniors, so for our first warm-up activity, we are gonna do the roll and the tap. Roll, tap. So we're gonna roll with one foot, tap it with the other to control it, and then roll and tap. Roll, tap, roll, tap. Working on our rolls, taking our foot from one side of the ball all the way over the top and tap. From one side of the ball all the way over the top and tap. Roll, tap, roll, tap, roll, tap, roll, tap. All right, try it. Okay, juniors, for the next part of the warm-up, we're gonna do a little soccer box and then a roll. So it's about 4 touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a roll, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a roll, and back and forth like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, try it. Okay, juniors, third part of the warm-up, we're gonna get a little soccer box in like before, and then we're gonna do 2 rolls. So it's soccer box, and then roll, tap, and then on this side, soccer box. And then roll, tap, soccer box, roll, tap, soccer box, roll, tap, soccer box, roll, tap, soccer box, roll, tap, tap. So again, you're rolling all the way over the top of the ball. You get a little tap in, roll, control with the tap, roll, soccer box, roll, control with the tap, roll, soccer box. Let's try it. Okay, juniors, this is maybe the most challenging one. We're gonna try and do some back-to-back rolls. It's gonna be a little tricky. You gotta hop on one foot as you're rolling, and you're rolling back to back. So here's how it works. You're gonna roll with the right, and then immediately roll with the left, and then back with the right. But if you're gonna do it quickly, you gotta get a hop in. So I'm hopping on my standing foot, the foot that's not touching the ball. So it looks like this. Roll, whoop, looks like this. Roll, 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 and forth, back and forth. See how many you can do in a row. Challenge yourself. Can you do 10 in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you do 10 in a row? It's not easy.